Welcome back, class. This video will discuss today's entrance ticket questions and answers, so please pay close attention so you can complete the assignment accurately, and feel free to pause or rewind the video as needed. So your first question is, what is space? And space is the distance or area between things. So over here on the far right, this shape, this pentagon, is a certain amount of distance. It's a larger distance from between it and the circle and all the other shapes over here. Whereas the shapes to the left, the star, the circle, and the square are all overlapping and all very close together. So space can be used in different ways to create certain visual effects in your artwork. In our case, with the two-point perspective, the space is being affected, the distance is being affected by the linear perspective. And also the area between things is changing, which we are going to discuss in the second question, the next slide below. Your second question, as I stated, addresses how does two-point perspective alter the spaces between objects. So previously we've discussed how the vanishing point affects the height of the buildings as they go back, which essentially they get shorter in height, but also the spaces between objects, the spaces between buildings, or the width of the road, things like that, or even the spaces between windows. How do they change? And the answer is that they essentially get closer together. So that can be seen most easily with this road right here, where the distance from my cursor, this side of the road to this side of the road, is a certain distance, and then it's getting shorter and shorter as it goes back. Even this road here, this space right here is larger, and it gets smaller and smaller. It gets closer and closer. So the spaces between all objects, as they go further back into space, they get closer together, they scrunch closer together and get shorter. And that essentially answers your follow-up question. So that is it for this video. Following this video, please complete your entrance ticket and answer both questions. Submit it for your 2 points, and then just spend about 30 minutes or so working on your final project. Continue to add details inside and around your spaces. Whether you're doing buildings or an interior room, just keep adding those details. And please make sure you're saving time to add color for Monday and Tuesday. The main goal is that you should be trying to finish the drawing phase today, so you can just color on the last 2 days and you can finish on time with high accuracy and get the best grade possible. Please message me if you have any questions, if you're still having difficulty with the two-point perspective rules. I'm always here to help and can give digital feedback, digital edits on your photo, and send them back to you to show you which angles might need to be fixed or slightly altered. All right, guys, that's everything I have. Please do the assignments that we just discussed, and I look forward to seeing your progress today, and I will talk to you guys later. Have a great class. Bye.